Well, I'm here with the Zephyrus G14. It's a brand new gaming laptop, a very portable, compact gaming laptop from Asus. It's got a bunch of new features. There's, as you can see, 2 different colors that it comes in. We'll get to more of the differences and a hidden surprise in a moment. So this is going to start around $1,300, $1,400. That's the price range we're talking about. They sacrifice a little thinness for portability, and there's also a very cool what's called the Ergo Lift hinge. And so as you pull the display forward, the laptop lifts. It gives you that desktop style typing angle. I'm a little more comfortable for gaming. And speaking of gaming, despite the size of this, there is actually an RTX 2060 Max-Q that can go inside of this laptop. So kind of an all-around portable, take it with you, desktop replacement, kind of all-purpose system. But obviously an RTX 2060 is more than capable of doing some gaming. But the big new component inside is the Ryzen Renoir chip from AMD. There's R5, R7, and R9, and the 7nm chip coming to these new mobile, very portable laptops. And AMD actually gave Asus a 6-month exclusive on the 35-watt version of this, so it's a little lower power. So that way, these form factors really pay off. That said, it will be able to do gaming, it'll be able to do general productivity, and you can get either the colors. There's a couple different screen options in addition to the colors. You can get a QHD display if you're more of a content creator type, and the higher refresh 120 Hz in full HD for the gamers. But the biggest surprise is, and this is not on every version, there's a certain special model that comes with this feature, but there's a dot matrix on the lid that you can customize, and you can do a GIF or an animation, or just a still image, the time, the date, which is obviously really fun. I mean, does anyone need this? I don't know, but it's a lot of fun. It's a big surprise. It does make the panel, if you get this version, a little thicker to accommodate, but it's a really neat feature. And in something so compact, it's otherwise a nice keyboard to type on, 1.5 millimeters of key travel. It's built with magnesium alloy, so it's relatively light but sturdy, weighs about 3.5 pounds. Having something so fun like this in this compact system is pretty cool. So you're getting AMD's newest stuff, you're getting the tried and proven RTX 2060 out of NVIDIA, and a fun feature like this, which pretty much speaks for itself. I mean, look at it.